everybody, today I'm going to be showing you the beauty routine that I do to take you from about a 4 to maybe a 7. So I'm just going to jump right in. The first thing I do is use foundation to cover up this ugly complexion. I mix a lighter shade and a darker shade on the back of my hand and then blend it all over my skin with a booty blender. And if the quality looks a little bit different today, it's because I'm using my Vogue camera, which I got so ripped for at Sitsi. Bad memories. When I'm going day to day, I don't really like to have a super full coverage all over my skin, so I just focus the makeup on the areas which it's needed, which to be honest is pretty much my whole face anyway. I'm growing my eyebrows, that was sweaty, don't come for me. It sounds like I'm assaulting myself with a beauty blender. And then I take a closer look just to observe that nothing blended.
Love it.
Why is this spot just not covering? This is what I do to make sure my foundation's all blended down my neck. Look all over my concealer. So the next thing I'm doing is going to be concealing and highlighting my skin. Okay, there's literally nothing left in this bottle. Where's the other one? This is what I do if it's all run out. Just get a makeup brush.
Why is there a solid lump in it?
Get a makeup brush and just paint it on with the back of it. Bloody hell, that's so noisy. My favourite thing in the world is highlighting down your nose, because once you're finished, boom, nose job. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go on powdering my face. Oh, you can see my ugly shower. What's that mean? Why has it gone on red? Now, if I'm trying to be super natural, I'll just go for like a liquid highlight. I use this Becca one. I take it on the point bit of my beauty blender and like pat it into my palm to get excess off. And then just pat it onto my cheekbones. The good thing about cream highlight is that it lasts for so much longer than powder. You can always set it with powder highlight too if you want it to be like, boom, Nikki Tutorials just threw up on your face. I also put a little bit onto the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow, and then I'm also just going to drag a little bit over my lids. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is my eyebrows, because gotta have eyebrows on fleek the foot. Oh my god, this is just not going well. First thing I do always is brush my eyebrows. Now, as I said, I'm not plucking my eyebrows at the moment because I'm trying to grow them out. Basically trying to be Brooke Shields. It's not working. I'm taking Cypress Umber from this Anastasia palette. I use any brown eyeshadow, and I'm just lightly going to feather them. So that is my eyebrows all done. Now I'm going to go on to doing a little bit of eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to take this.
Oh my freaking god.
Freaking broken. Can I pop it back in? Oh, okay, fixed it. I'm using this MAC shadow in the shade Texture on this Crown C139 brush. Swirl it in. And I just go super messily all over. Okay, that was actually a little bit too messy. My camera is literally cut off twice.
Don't be fucking rude.
And then I take that same shadow on a slightly smaller kind of fluffy brush. I'm going to swirl it around. Take a mirror that I don't actually have. Good one, floss. Oh, it's right there. And I'm going to bring it onto my lower lash line a bit. I freaking adore this eyeshadow. I feel like it makes green eyes look incredible because it's so warm tone. I like this brush too because it kind of blends it as it applies it. I find with some pencil brushes they can be a little bit like, you know what I mean? I always wing my shadow out too. Some people think it looks like a black eye. I do too, but it's vibe sweaty. The next thing I'm going to do is take a teeny tiny bit of highlight. I'm going to be using this colour here from this Sephora trio. It's like really natural and it will just help to set what we've already put down. Now going on to bronzer. I'm using this bronzer. I freaking love this bronzer. Why? Because it's orange. Everyone hates orange bronzers. I live for them. My big DSLR camera always shows me up to be so much more orange than I am in the hate. Oh, I'm just really not here for it. Down on my neck. Then I'm gonna take that same brush and go into the blush from the trio. And if you didn't know, base products basically just blend into your skin more seamlessly. Now for mascara. Where was my mascara? Best mascara in the whole entire world. Best mascara in the world, Maybelline Lash Sensational. You need to get your hands on this. I know a lot of people like to get eyelash extensions, but personally, the thought of eyelash extensions literally terrifies me. I've had I've heard so many horror stories about them being like, about them ripping out your real eyelashes. I'm just not here for that. I always put mascara on my lower lashes. Next up for my lips, I'm going to be taking this lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury. It's in the shade Super Cindy. It's like a really pretty pinky. East Coast James, 10% off. A really pretty pinky nude colour. And then I always go over with a gloss, especially in sort of summery spring weather. I just like my lips to look really healthy. This is the Sexy Mother Pucker gloss in Rhianna. I'm actually just going to go in with a little bit more bronzer along my forehead, but a little bit closer to my hairline. My baby hairs are growing back so badly. I need to like pluck them out again. Does anyone else pluck out their baby hairs? I really don't want to find out I'm the only person who does it. You will know if you suffer with chronic baby hair syndrome. And that is my finished makeup look. Then usually if I'm going out, I'll spray a little bit of dry shampoo in my hair. I went to the gym yesterday, so I washed my hair last night, so it doesn't really need it, but I don't know. So that is the end of my beauty secrets video. I'd say my biggest beauty, ooh, that's looking pretty bright. Am I really overexposed? I think I am. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more from me, then definitely subscribe. I would love to have you here on my channel. Make sure to go and check out my previous videos as well as my social medias, which will be listed in the description box down below. I'm most active over on my Instagram. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave requests and comments in the comment section down below. Kendall Jenner is shook. And I will see you all very soon. Bye. I hate myself.